Go. Go, Brandon. Come on. Reggie.
I'm gonna go.
Reggie.
Hi guys.
Charlie.
Sometimes I die on like the camera.
Charlie, what'd you do today? What'd you do today, Charlie?
You gotta leave me alone.
Charlie.
You leave me alone, I bitch. And I got kill me.
Charlie, do you want to see some boobies?
Yeah.
You do? You want to touch them?
Stop. I can't touch the boobies.
Can I see your pee-pee one more time?
I told it to you because you like my boobies. My boobies.
Don't tell your mom, okay?
my mama said I'm not supposed to see you no
But
more.
don't tell her.
Well, cause you touched my pee-pee.
Well, do you touch mine? Reggie?